Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video we're answering another SSAT Math question. Let's begin. The question says, 7 is to 21 as 1/3 is to A 3, B 2, C 4/3, D 1 or E 5/9. So in this question we're told 7 goes to 21. So we need to work out the relationship between these two. To do this, we're going to do 21 divided by 7 to find out what we need to multiply 7 by to get to 21. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. So 7 times 3 gives me 21. Now let's look at the next part of the question, which goes 1/3 goes to what? We're going to take 1/3 and we're going to multiply it by the same thing we needed to multiply 7 by, which was 3. So 1/3 times by 3. That will give me 3 over 3. And as I have a fraction where the top and the bottom number are the same, it can be simplified to 1. So the answer is 1. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.